The Al Zubarah Resort hosted the start of Stage 5 of this year's Tour of Qatar. At 159 kilometres, it was the second longest stage of the race. 148 riders set out from the start under clear blue skies, but with strong headwinds blowing, they were anything but relaxed. A small breakaway managed to get away early, containing Steen de Volder, Vladimir Isayachev, Daniel Shawn and Patrick Grech. The first hour ticked by with the riders covering just shy of 49 kilometres, by which time the lead group had built a lead of 5 minutes from the peloton behind. Their advantage peaked at nearly 7 minutes before the road turned north towards the finish circuit. At this point the riders were ploughing straight into a headwind, which slowed things down considerably for the four-man group. The leaders rolled through the second sprint point as they headed on to the final circuit, while the peloton began to organise themselves for what was expected to be a bunch finish. Lotto-Belisol, ORICA-GreenEdge and Omega Pharma Quickstep, protecting race leader Niki Terpstra, were all jostling at the front of the peloton, and the break was eventually caught with 7 kilometres to go. On the final straight, Lotto's Jürgen Roelandts was in prime position to launch his sprinter Andre Greipel. The German timed his effort to perfection, jumping ahead of Orica's Aegis Kruopis and powering away for his first win of the week. Here are the stage results courtesy of Pro Cycling Stats. Greipel ahead of Kruopis, with Belkin's Theo Boss sneaking into third. Another strong finish for Sam Bennett, while Terpstra, Roelandts and Tom Bonen all finished safely towards the head of the bunch. It's pretty much as you were in the overall standings, with the top 3 all finishing on the same time. Greipel's win sees him sneak just into the top 10. Join us tomorrow for the 6th and final stage of the Tour of Qatar from the Sea Line Beach Resort into Doha, culminating in 10 laps around the city streets. Don't forget we'll be offering an alternative commentary during the final hour of the stage. Make sure to find us here on YouTube and get involved. On the start line, everybody knew this could be the hardest day of the week. The direction of the race plus 30 km/h winds meant the riders would be facing a cross tailwind for 90% of the stage.